Hi friends, welcome to my channel. For more Python tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Today in this video, I am going to tell about how can I read input as integers in Python. Okay, first open the Python terminal. There is a built-in function in Python. There is a built-in function for reading the input as integer, that is input function. Okay, let me show. Num equals input just enter the number. Okay, now I'm going to type enter 45. Then I am going to print the value in the variable num. It's 45. If you have any doubt, then I am going to show you the type of the variable num. Type of num is int. Okay, and there is also a built-in function row input, but the function row input is for taking the user input as string. But here I am going to convert the string to integer. Okay, using the function eval. Okay, num1 equals eval row input. Okay, the same message, enter the number. Execute 78. Then num1 is 78. Then I am going to show you the type of num1. Type of num1 is int. Okay, but usually the row input function is take the user input as string. Okay, and here the user input as take the row input function take the input as string, and the eval function is convert it into the integer type. Okay, using the input function, the built-in function input function, we can read the input as integers, and also convert the row input using eval function, also take the user input as integer. Hope you guys get how can I read input as integers in Python. If you like the video, please subscribe for more Python tutorial. Okay, thank you.